joining me once again. I appreciate it so much. Today, again, we're going to do a simple look. We're going for one color, and today's color is going to be green. Yes, why not green? It's spring, summer, it's hot. Let's brighten it up a little bit. So we're going to work out some green, and we're going to do it with very minimum products. As easy, as simple as we can make it and still slay this thing out. So let's get started. We're gonna go in, we're gonna start with our brow powder. I like the brow powder look, and it's easy as well, good for beginners. BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio in the shade, or in the kit medium. Don't mind these, okay? Let me just point that out for y'all. It's just vitamins. They're just vitamins, sis. They're just vitamins.
And y'all would not believe I am literally about to go to the gym. Well, not the gym, but I'm going to a dance class. The Dance Your Pounds Off by Dwight Howard, I believe. But I'm like, I need a look desperately. So, your girl is about to do a full face with shadow going to the gym. All because I'm dedicated. I'm trying to be dedicated.
So we're gonna go in with a spoolie, and of course we're gonna go ahead and blend this product out, same way we would do with pomade and pencil. Go in and clean up our brow. We're going to go in with our NYX palette, the contour palette in deep, and we're going to be using this shade right here to clean these brows up real quick. And go in over the top, same thing, and just take your time. So let's just stop right here real quick so we can clearly tell that there's a difference, right? One is bigger than the other. This one is much smaller than this one. So what I'm going to do is just take some concealer. I can either make this one a little bigger or make this one a little smaller. Which do I do? Which looks easiest, right? So I'm probably gonna go and see, just make this one smaller. And I'm just gonna go back into the same concealer palette and just make this line smaller. Okay, so we kind of got them looking a little better. No frets. Make sure you trust the process. We're going to go in and blend out this concealer that's around, you know, our eyes that we did, and get this boxy looking stuff out the way. We got to get rid of that. We cannot and will not have boxy brows. Russian. We did not prime our eyes. So, NYX palette, I'm going, we can go with the same shade. Same shade. And we're gonna prime our eyes. Now that we have our eyes primed, I'm gonna go in with crayon case. This green right here, the lighter green, or not that one, but you know, this one. I'm just gonna pack this color on for a nice payoff. And you can kind of feel your eye socket. Just go right there, you know, and pack that color in. Okay. The green is real light. So what we're gonna go into next, we have to blend out these edges. Of course, we cannot leave it like this. So we're gonna go in. I'm thinking about using a little brown, the same, maybe almost the same shade, because I don't want no yellow. Let's just go in for, let's go in for this brown. No, let's go in for this brown. Something very close to my skin tone, just so that
And we're going in windshield wiper motion, around motion. It don't even matter. Just blend.
I know you don't have time to talk to your plants, so I'm going to talk to them for you. You can go on about your business, whether that's to class or the office or fixing.
And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M124.
Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow on, one color eyeshadow, well, two, we had to blend it out a little bit. We're gonna go in with black liner.
Okay, so we have our eyes about 85% done, so let's go ahead and move on to the face. Of course, we're going to start by color correcting first. We're going to use Old Faithful LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange. And we're just going to get these little stubborn spots. Ugh. You don't want to put too much on.
Tonight's foundation, we're gonna go in with Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. I am going to mix this a little bit. I'm gonna mix it with a little dark, still Maybelline, and one cocoa, and this is liquid mousse.
So I'm going to talk to them for you.
Just a little.
You can go on about your business, whether that's to class or the office or fixing.
For a little highlight, we're going to go in with the Old Faithful C12, C13 in Makeup Revolution. This is C12. No, we're going to use C13 first. And not too much, just a little bit.
I'm gonna go in with our Old Faithful Black Radiance Golden Almond and just set under these eyes and in the spots where we highlighted. And you don't want to go overboard with this because you don't want any flashback. And I don't set, I don't bake. Baking doesn't work out for me. So I don't bake. And I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying? So because we need to bring back some depth and definition to our face, we're gonna go in. This is our beginner's way of cheating with a little contour. CoverGirl Queen Collection in the shade Ebony. Want to bronze this thing up a little bit. And just go around the perimeter of
Toby. And of course, this is Julia's Place, The Saharan, Volume 1. Let's see what it looks like with a little orange. Not enough. So we're gonna go in with Toby and Neo.
MAC Fix Plus, so that all of these palettes can just melt.
Highlighter. Let's go in with a little highlighter. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna tone it down or bring it up a notch with the highlighter. Should we do like a deep gold or go for the gusto? Let's go for the gusto. Pull out that crayon case and just dab where the sun hits you. Ooh, baby. Child, listen. Crayon case just makes me so happy. Like legit, it makes me so happy.
We are almost done with the simple eye. We're gonna go in, finish up our bottom eyelids. We're gonna smoke that out with some green. So to step this look up just a little bit, we're gonna go in the inner corner and dab some of that crayon case highlight and just put it right in the inner corner. Okay, so for our lippy, we're gonna go in with, seems to be my favorite three right now. Of course, the crayon case and Private Party. This is Hard Candy Velvet Mousse. It's a matte lip color and a brown lippy. Let's make some magic happen with these colors. So this is the look that we have. Very simple, very easy, minimal products. This is what we do here. Beginners channel, Al for the beginners channel. I hope you guys like it. Nice and green with a pop of brightness of the gold, the crayon case highlighted. Guys, I literally did this look in 53 minutes and 46 seconds. And that includes me digging for stuff and all of that right there. Because of course, nothing is where it's supposed to be. That includes me looking and pulling out this, pulling out that. 54 minutes now. So by the time you look at this video, of course, it'll be much shorter. But if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You might as well hit that like button. You might as well go ahead and make a comment down.
What you think, girl? What you think? What you think, girl? What you think? Okay.
I'm supposed to be going to a dance class, and guess what? I'm going just like this. I'm not wiping off anything. I'm about to sweat it off. And my friend is gonna try to dog me out, but guess what, Dolores? It does not matter because I did a look. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming and joining. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Jessie_glitters. All that information will be down below. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. See you next video.